everyone, we are going to create this template today. You maybe see this in the first time and say, what are you doing? You are just pasting a text on the picture and it's nothing hard and important. Actually, you are right, but the thing changes when you run this page. Where you run it, let me run it. See what is happening. The text is coming down from the mountain. You see it here, it's coming. It's like the text is coming from the back of the mountain. See the picture? It's really great to create. Okay, how we can create this? Before creating that, you need to go to Photoshop and create two pictures. This is picture 1 and this is picture 2. What I do, the thing that I do is that I simply just crop the picture from the middle. By using Photoshop, you can use your phone's app. There are many of them that doing this work for you, but I use a Photoshop. You see, these are two pictures, not one. Let me just, for a better usage, just crop it. It's not going to delete anything, but I'm going to crop it because I can select them easily. And let's crop this. Okay, now these are two pictures. Okay, how we can create this amazing text? The thing is amazing about text is that it has two animations. How we give it to him? We go to animation pane and here we have two animation. What animation? We have a flight animation as you get and a zoom animation. Let's go and try to create this text. Let me just copy the text here, not more than text. Okay, we copy the text, paste it here. Now we don't have anything but the text. I increase the text in size. When I create and increase the text in size, the text is here. Now, how I can create this animation? Let's say at first we gave it just a flying. Okay. If we see the flying, it's nothing like the thing what we want. What is the problem? The problem is here is that we want to bring it to front. Now, let's see how the flying works. See? It's coming from back the picture, but it's not great. It's so fast and we don't like it. Because of that, we increase it in time to 2 seconds. Now let's watch it. It's better, but it's not the thing we want. We are going to change the effect options to what? This is the right. A smooth start, no. A smooth start, it means it starts low in end. Now, let's see what it's low, it's better. We give it a smooth end. Now, let's go to option, animation text, no. By word. This is not the thing we want. We want to do it by what? By letter. Now, let's look at this. This transition has been made. Now, we need to give it another transition, another animation. What we are going to give it? We are going to give it a zoom. You see the zoom animation? But we have a problem here. What? When we are going to give it a zoom, our past animation go out. How we can do that? We are going to add animation and add zoom. Now we have two animations. Zoom and another animation. Okay, let's just make it the time 2 seconds. And now let's run it and see what is happening. Okay, it's like past. And the zoom, they are in order, they are not by themselves. What we are going to do, we are going to say it with previous and with previous. Now let's run it. What is happening? You see, the effect is not like what we want to create. Let's go here and see what is the problem. The problem here is that we create the animations, start with previous, everything are alike. But why the animation is not working as we want? Because it have some delays, or maybe we paste them in the wrong order. Now let's see it. No, as you can see, it's doing the right thing, wrong thing, and I don't know why. Play selected. Let me just make them in time. And now let's see it. Play all. You see it? What is the problem? Why does it not look like this? Can you guess? If you can't guess, let's go and see why. Because the flying is down. No, this is not the problem. They are all alike. This is the flying. This is the basic zoom. This is the flying. This is the basic zoom. This is zoom, not basic zoom. This kind of problem always happens. You just need to make a little time for you and use a little creativity or ask internet to find the problem. Now we need to more entrance. We need to use basic zoom. Where is basic zoom? Basic. I can't find zoom. Not this zoom, basic zoom. Let's see, this is the zoom. Yes, this is the basic zoom. But what is happening? Our past flying is gone. Now we have both of them. Let's make them from the with previous. Now run it. They are too fast for me to see. Let's increase them in time and see what is happening. Run it. Okay, I think we created wrong, but we need to do something. We do it by letter. No, the zoom is not going to be by letter. It's going to all at once. It's good, and we need to do it a smooth end and do the animation by letter. Now we need to create it increase it in size and time. Now play it. I think we must do it by letter. No, it's by letter. It's do it by letter. We don't need to zoom it by letter. This is the problem, I think. All at once, okay. Now, let's run it. Okay, we do it by letter. Let's look at it and see what is happening in the end. You see, we create a great effect easily, create a great effect. But the most important thing about animation paint is that it needs lots of talent and hard work to work with it. We can create it like this. we have in this slide, that the words come Y11, or we can create it like this, that I want to create it for this lesson, that all of the words come by also. Okay, this is the end of this template. You see, one slide template have many difficulties. It's some of them because of my memory is too bad, and some of them is because animation is tricky and need a lot of works. But until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me everything you need in the comment. I will absolutely answer them. And have a good night.